Working with a screwdriver. This is a screwdriver. This is the handle. This is the part we do like this. And this is the safety glasses we are going to use. We give it to someone. We do like this and someone get it. And someone do like this. And we use it. This is a screw and we are going to turn the screw in the table. We screw in the wood. We need to have a wood down in the wood. We can do this. Why? Because we can stick it and it's magnetic. We use a screw and we have to do it to like this and turn it. We use our hands to turn and the screw go down and down and down. We finish the screwdriver. We put back place right here. Keep safe and have fun.